You awed me, bro. Like, especially with these things. Awesome. Alright guys, so I'm back at Chris's house in Kennewick, Washington. I got my packages. This one right here, I gotta open this one, but these are actually pretty cool. I'll tell you guys about these later in the video. So far, I'm loaded up like almost max, and I have boxes that are just collecting, okay? I got one under here. I got one over there from Fuse Fab, which I will do an unboxing. I will, I promise, in another video. So if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe. But this one, I want to show you guys this one. This is from Kevin Nabe, Insane Illusion Fabrications. If you guys do not follow him, go ahead on Instagram, follow him. This is a product made in the US. It's also a fellow SRT4 owner. So this has been sitting around for some time, you guys, since 2021. I got one right here from Insane Illusion. It's almost 3 years ago. I double taped it, that's why it's taped like this. Grab my rusty razor blade. In the state of Massachusetts, you have to run a license plate, and well, you guys know, I'm not in Massachusetts, so I really don't have to worry about following my local state laws for my vehicle. Let's see what's Insane Illusion Fabrications SRT4 front mount version 2.5. Base and plate brackets are mild steel. Small insert tube is stainless steel plate that holds license plate in aluminum. All hardware is stainless steel on brass. Installation can be done by removing bumper or leaving it on. Leaving the bumper on saves a lot of time, but a little bit more difficult. Best way to contact me: Facebook and an Instagram. If you guys want to email them, insaneillusionsfab@outlook.com or insaneillusionsfab@gmail.com. I'll leave everything linked in the description, you guys, and just have this whole complete note right here in the description. He sent out 3 different stickers, which is cool because I like stickers. I have a sticker collection in my camera bag inside my Neon, and eventually I'll go ahead and sticker bond my roll cage, but that'll be later in the future when my roll cage looks like crap. This is what I want to show you guys, and I've been wanting to open for so long, but I just haven't had time. And okay, you guys can see a little bit of surface rust. That's because I haven't mounted, I haven't done anything. I will be powder coating it, but I don't have anything right now to powder coat. Wow, this is a really nice kit. Oh my god, I was not, wow dude, I was not expecting it to be this nice. Look at that, wow dude. You are a smart mofo. I like that. Well, Kevin, you've already blown me away by that shiny piece and that fabrication right there. You did a really nice job, and these little pieces right here are actually the same thing that holds my wire tuck on. If you guys can see right there, he uses the same things. You guys, that's really nice. I can't get over that. So he gave some hardware. Wow. Kevin, I wasn't expecting it to be like this, bro. And this is the front back plate like for the license plate, it gets mounted up onto these right here, and you can have it at whatever height you want. So essentially, I have my license plate right there. It's not 100% visible, but it's visible enough to illuminate if headlights went on it or something like that. But I needed it mounted. I didn't want to ruin anything on my front bumper. My front bumper already needs to be vamped up again because, you know, I brought it back to life. Alright, so like I was just explaining, you can raise the license plate to where you want it. What I've seen on his Instagram is it mounted pretty much like that, but further back on that back plate back there. So that's pretty much where this comes into play, I believe. It'll probably be mounted like that, and this slides into this, which I like. So it'll be sticking out, and you can still angle it to where you want it, which is, wow, Kevin. You have blown me away. You have blown me away. You should be selling a lot more of these. And if you guys do not have one of these, you definitely gotta go hit up Kevin. Insane Illusion Fabrications on Instagram, Facebook, and his email's in the description. Look at that. I wish I went ahead and I unboxed this a long time ago. Wow. That is a really, really nice piece. Okay. So there you go, you guys. This is a version 2.5. I believe he has a newer version because he does his own fabrication. Last but not least, I have to show you guys this. This is also made by him. And he posted these up for quite a while and nobody jumped on them. But when I show you guys them, I'm pretty sure you're gonna want a pair. This right here is a radiator bracket replacement. Now I haven't powder coated them yet because you can see all these things look like crap. I hate what the OEM ones look like. He does offer these with this and I believe this, but I ended up getting ones just to replace. That way I could go ahead and just rock this grommet rubber piece and have something looking that slick. So there is two of them, I believe. Yeah, the other one's in there. Imagine that. So there's the other one. So if you guys are interested in these also, you can go ahead and hit them up. Those things are super dope. Look at that, a side-by-side comparison. Yeah, it's definitely gonna look so much better. This side I gotta actually take that out. It might break and then I might have to tap and dye it. So we might just wait on that stuff.
Several days later.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off, but this one I'm gonna have to zing that one off and hopefully it doesn't break. Hopefully it just comes right out. But I'm gonna have to wait until Josh gets back from work. He's gonna be here in a few minutes. I just replaced the oil pressure sending unit. You guys have already seen that video. If you guys haven't, top right of the screen, go check that out. Or at the end of the video, don't forget to smash the like button. But we're gonna go ahead and swap that out real quick and then hopefully Josh will be here. For this, we have to actually pop that back out and get rid of this. And now we take one of these, and I'm assuming it goes like this or it goes like this. Give it some spit. There we go, nice and clean again, like new. So it looks like it's gonna sit like that. So I'm gonna pop that in there, hopefully. It's gonna sit like that. gonna get some new hardware. Josh just got back, so hopefully he has some new hardware. Something better looking than that. That's ugly. But I'm saying like that the bolt is, not that. This thing's amazing, you guys. Look at that. Now that is a game changer. Like we did yesterday, a side-by-side comparison. Look at that. Yo, if you guys definitely want one of these, hit up, dude. Well, thankfully, Josh actually just came over here and did it with that. And I'm over here holding that thing like, oh, no, I gotta do it that way, I gotta do it that way. But you got it out. Just gotta pop that back out, do it like that, and I think we're good. Maybe I gotta go ahead and flip that. So I'm gonna try it on that side and see what it looks like. Just test fit and see what it looks like. No, I think it sits like that. I just gotta go get hardware down the street and it'll look better than that when it's done. And I really do appreciate that. Beautiful, beautiful piece, bro. I was not expecting it to be this beautiful. Like I was, but what? You know, like, wow. I can't wait to put this on my car, you guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, if you're a new viewer, obviously. If you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you. If you guys want to go ahead and send me any products to review and unbox, you can go ahead and hit me up, skittlefabs@yahoo.com. I do reviews. We can go ahead and talk about it via email or DMing. But this is a beautiful product and I can't wait to put it on my car. I just can't keep, I'm gonna keep telling you guys that because this is awesome. And I just need to get that box out of there because I do got another box. Fuse Fab, I will go ahead and unbox your box soon. It's right here. It's right here. So you guys, like I said, subscribe and stay tuned, notified, all that good stuff. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.